Hi guys, just a quick tour of my new camera. It is the Sony HDR-XR550V. This is a full HD digital video camera featuring a 12 megapixel sensor for still recording. It has a 240 gigabyte hard drive. You can also insert memory sticks for extra storage, but 240 gig is a lot of video. Features a 10 times optical zoom with a optical image stabilizer along with a digital one as well. You have manual focus, color viewfinder. Obviously you don't have any more black and white viewfinders these days. Let's see, you got mic, headphones for additional. You got the shoe up here, surround sound 5.1. It's got the G lens from Sony. It's pretty heavy. The stock battery is a bit small compared to the slightly larger one that this camera also came with. Over here you have your connection points for the component cables. Obviously charger down the bottom. It's pretty heavy. Oh, and also, yes, that's correct, it's got GPS. So let's have a quick look. Nice little sound. I like the screen. The screen is touchscreen, very sensitive, very easy to use, very clear and sharp. There it is. Sometimes painful to use, but it's okay. Let's see, you got your USB and HDMI. However, that's not regular HDMI. It is a smaller connection. I was quite disappointed because of that. GPS switch, so you can turn it on. To look on some of its features, the GPS feature that I've just turned on, it's used for geotagging, but only with Sony software that comes with the camera. Basically you can then go back and see where you've recorded certain clips, but it also has this little feature for the GPS, if I can remember how to, there. Hopefully you can see that. Yep, there we go. It has maps built in, and you can actually drag the maps. Now I haven't quite figured out exactly how to use this, but it looks pretty cool. But would you use it in real life? I don't think so. Now before I end this video, just a quick look at its menu. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's a lot of settings you can choose from. Power settings, whatnot. So there you go. It's, as I said, it's a pretty cool camera. Image quality is amazing. I will have to upload some video footage when I have some, because right now it's pretty crappy outside. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, complaints, just, you know, the usual down the bottom, write your comments, and that's it. Thanks for watching.